Is Mega Servo. I'm going to show you how to get the most of Windows updates in Windows 10. People are often confused or not sure what to set and how to set it, and often get into trouble. So I'm going to show you an easy way to set it up so it's safe and deals with Microsoft's constant unstable updates coming to your computer. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, click Start, Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update. Just going to go through the sections here. Let's set the change active hours. I've set it between 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. I normally go to sleep about 12 a.m. So the last 2 hours it'll update. If it hasn't caught up, then it'll do it the next day. So this is good, but maybe if I set it to 12 a.m., then it'll prevent it sort of restarting any time during my wake hours. It might come up with a prompt to restart, but then you can manually do it when you want to. So I'll hit save on that. View update history. You can see what's installed. I'm up to 1803. Now in there you can also uninstall certain updates if you need to, and recovery options you can get to and restart. So you can reset the PC or do a restart and repair and blah blah blah, but that's not what we're trying to focus at the moment. But yeah, you know where it is now. Advanced options, go in there. Okay, give me updates for other Microsoft products when I update. Yes, turn that on. That is useful because if you've got any other Microsoft Offices and all sorts of other Microsoft products, then this will also include that in the updates. Automatically download updates even over metered data connections. Probably keep that off if you're hotspotting on a mobile data plan, so keep that off. We'll show a reminder when we're going to restart. Yeah, you want a reminder, and you can choose to not restart if you want to. Okay, pause updates. Now that's not necessary, but here choose when updates are installed. Now, just a little note, some of these options may not be available if you're running Windows 10 Home Edition, but some of the options are, so set the ones you can. I'm using Windows 10 Pro, or you might be using Windows 10 Enterprise. Enterprise has even more options, but your system administrator or your IT guy will set those things up, but the principles apply in that respect as well. Okay, choose when updates are installed. Now you want to stick to semi-annual channel. Targeted is a pain in the butt. As you can see, they're red writing here. They wrote that it's ready for most people, so it can be unstable in business environments. Crazy, huh? Okay, why even put that in? But it's all right. Okay, stick to semi-annual. It's the most safest for organizations, and I think it's safe for everyone. Feature update includes new capabilities and improvements. It can be deferred for, I suggest deferring for about 2 weeks. I set it for 15, you can do 14. This is to give Microsoft 2 weeks to release consecutive updates that might be repairs to faulty updates that they might push out. They often do. Send out an update that screws your system up, and then what? So it's better to defer for 2 weeks and they often correct issues within the 2 weeks, whether it's a stop on the other update or another update to fix the update. Easy. Okay. Leave the quality update. Security improvements you want to have at 0 because of the constant threats out there. So I suggest keep it at 0. Let it update. It doesn't affect the operations as such. It's mostly operates security improvements. So that's good. Delivery optimization. Click on there. Okay, in there, this allows you to, if you have more than one computer within your home or small business network or big network, within the local area network, all the PCs can communicate together if you have this turned on, and if one of the systems or computers downloads a certain update, all the other friends or the other Windows 10 computers will download it from that device, rather than taking up your internet speed and all downloading at the same time. So that's useful. Don't click that one because it's also will try and find updates of PCs on the internet. So it's kind of like downloading off the internet anyway, so it's pointless. Better to stay on PCs on my local network. Advanced options. That's for those of you who have a lot of issues and small bandwidth and you have to manage it and so forth. So that's something you can play with and see how it affects your data usage. But I'm not worried about it. Most people have unlimited data, but in some parts of the world, that might be an issue. Okay, activity monitor. Here you can monitor what's been downloaded and what hasn't. That's useful. Okay, that's about it. Go back out, and then again, go back out. That's it. First time around after making these changes, hit check updates, apply any updates. It might revert some of the unsafe updates on your system, which is good. Otherwise, check updates, update it once off. Might have to catch up. Once it's done, leave it, and it's just going to do it itself. And you just need to, from time to time, it might prompt you to restart while you're working. So that's about it. This is Mega Servo signing out. If you've got any questions or follow-ups on this, please post. And don't forget, subscribe.